First and foremost, I want to congratulate the Port of Cagayan de Oro for surpassing the target last December. And as I was having a chat with the collectors of CDO and MCT, they exceeded the target for January of this year. Of course, our main purpose in the Bureau is to collect revenue. Maganda yan. That they exceeded the target. Next is trade facilitation. As I heard, merong congestion, but we have to do something about it. We have to bring out our goods as fast as possible. So let's work together with ICTSI and Philbidec so we will be able to uh, bring in the goods as fast as we can kasi as there is storage, demurrage, additional expansion sa mga importers. Let's cut the cost para bumaba rin ang mga presyo sa merkado. And for trade facility and for border protection, I would want to thank the PNP, the Army, and other law enforcement agencies who have assisted the Bureau of Customs in combating this illicit trade of cigarettes. We have a zero tolerance for illicit tobacco, illicit vape, and smuggling of agricultural products. Zero tolerance po ang Bureau of Customs dyan. Magtulong-tulungan po tayo para matigil po natin to. Of course, we do not stop here. Dapat, I was talking to Collector Lagmay, let's file the cases against those perpetrators. We should show them that we are really serious. Hindi lang, nahuli natin, sisirain natin. Habulin natin sila para tumigil sila. Let us unmask those who are financing this. Ang nakakaawa naman, ang nahuli na natin driver, pahinante. Hanapin ho natin yung totoong utak nito. I was not supposed to speak in Tagalog, but I was the collector in the port of Cebu, no? Sa Cebu, it's either Cebuano or English. I asked earlier kung nagtatagalog mga tao, marunong pala magtagalog mga taga-CDO. So there's no such thing as a Republic of CDO, not like the Republic of Cebu. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat and congratulations to CDO for its 50th year anniversary.